Mr. BMW, I have been expecting you. There are cars that you sell that never really leave you. The BMW E38 is one of those cars. Made famous by its role in the Bond movie, Tomorrow Never Dies, this car's coolness never dies either. Modern twists, such as halo headlights lowered on coilovers. This car is one that I should never have sold. The straight-piped, straight six growled and rumbled for all to hear her coming from miles away. Awful, with presence and aura that modern cars just can't match. This is the kind of car you wish you could forever. From its retro Nokia to its rear sunblind, to its powerful roar and rumble. This is one of those cars I should never have let die.